Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku Kwisila kwi Muvia wa Maundu na Ikundi Mivae na Mathau Niyindee na Kwikia Mwalan'O ma Kwiana ma Kutetheesya Andu ala Mekalaa na Mamutha me Mwanya Kwisila Ikundini Syoo. Ni Kwiana na Minister Muvia wa Mathau na Maundu ma Ikundi Kauntini ya Masaku Mwanya ulengi wailesekana Mawalan'O asuma mina kwikiwa ni meutetheesya vanene kumina mathina ala methitwe mekalile andu ala Mekalaa na Mamutha me Mwanya takukosa utuika nthini wa mekalile na viasala Syoo. Daniel Mwongele na mauvo.
Mutone na andiki mauvo ni waelesya kana Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku Kwisila kwa Muvia wa Maundu wa Mathau Ikundi Andu mwe na Mivae Niyindee na Kwikia maole ma Kwiana ma Kutetheesya kukilia andu ala Mekalaa na Mamutha me Mwanya na kumamina mathina ala methi wa mekalile takosa ilovia sya kutoesya viasala andu mwe na kwitha mawisi abo makitu kwanza ila itailite.
One of the key complaints or challenges that I've had our persons with disability articulate is one, access to capital and access to affordable capital. The PWD fund will be able to address that. The second thing that I have had them talk about is accessibility in terms of buildings and making sure that the buildings that we are putting up in the county are disability friendly and that allow them to move about with ease, as well as our county planning to ensure that we have put in place walkways and roads that are disability friendly. So those are some of the things that we are going to be working on ensuring. The other thing is to make sure that we mainstream PWD activities into all aspects of governance in terms of all departments, that when they're making their policies, when they're creating their programs, and put in place disability-friendly programs.
Even and you wailesekana maminite kuosania mathina asu na makosa utalo wa andu asu Mekalaa na Mamutha me Mwanya na metukiungua Governor wa Kaunti ya Masaku ni mekwitha mayambi si Walany'O su akumatetheesya andu a Mekalaa na Mamutha me Mwanya na kumokile kiukwati.
Are putting in place the PWD fund, whose aim is to ensure that we work with PWDs in business, in grants, in giving them assistive devices, so that they're able to actively participate within our society. We are also, Her Excellency is also very keen on ensuring that procurement requirements, as far as the PWDs are concerned, are adhered to in the execution of county budgets and in the procurement within the county. We look forward to an inclusive system of governance where our PWDs are part and parcel of decision making and in coming up with activities and initiatives that directly benefit them.
Daniel Mwongele, Mutungwe TV, kwa Kauntini ya Masaku.